You are now watching Doorbell News.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Unfortunately for this homeowner, he was able to capture this burglary that happened at his home. Let's hope they catch these guys. Check her out.
My bad, compadre. I'm just being a drunk asshole with my
Yeah,
friend.
don't do it. Okay. So you want to do that?
Lakewood, California. So this guy's got a FedEx delivery driver outfit on, but he's no FedEx delivery driver. Yeah. Las Vegas, Nevada. Always be aware of your surroundings. So this guy follows this guy's wife home. Luckily, she got inside in time. West Monroe, Louisiana. Yeah, she's scheming on that scooter. She's trying to act natural. Inglewood, California. Looks like these four guys are trying to invade this home. West Valley City, Utah. Another homeowner captures a burglary in process at his home. Jonesboro, Georgia. Apparently there was a road rage incident going on down the street. Cincinnati, Ohio. Looks like these two are up to no good. Meanwhile in Jonesboro. Forest Park, Georgia. So this guy comes knocking at somebody's door at almost 6 in the morning, but he's been catfished. Atlanta, Georgia.
Somebody definitely tried to steal my car last night. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this whole thing. A piece right there. And then these little boys are so stupid. It was money right here. You feel me? It was no money in my armrest, but it was money right there. And y'all didn't even see that. For real, for real.
Meanwhile in Cincinnati, these guys are still creeping around.
Y'all, get the away from my house. Don't worry. I got something for you.
Los Angeles, California. Seems like this lady's dog got catfished.
Hello? Who are you?
I just called you. I just text you.
We didn't call you for anything.
So you ain't. No, I just got on the phone with somebody.
No. No one called you from this house.
Los Angeles, California. Check this guy out. Where? Get lost! Colton, California. So this guy walks up to this homeowner's house with latex gloves on. Yeah, we don't know what he was up to. Luckily, Colton PD spotted him. Yeah, who knows what he was up to with those latex gloves on. Colton police ended up catching him with a tool on him. Yeah, latex gloves. I don't like the looks of this.
What's up, bro?
Who do you know here?
Supposedly the homegirl is right here.
Who's that?
Alyssa?
Alyssa? What's your first name?
My first name's Richard.
Bell Gardens, California. Better be on alert for those doorknob wigglers. Los Angeles, California. So this guy just walks up to this apartment, and this guy just starts throwing the plants and potters over the balcony. Yeah, some people just want to mess up everybody's stuff. Meanwhile, in Jonesboro, another catfish victim.
Hello. Hi, who's this? I'm sorry? You need to come a little bit closer. What did you say? I couldn't hear you.
First I just text.
You're the person I just texted?
Yeah, I must got the wrong house. I'm sorry.
You've been catfished. Get lost! Boston, Massachusetts. Yeah, another doorknob wiggler. Always keep those doors locked. Lakewood, California. Can't even order Uber Eats anymore. You better grab that Uber Eats before this guy does. Hey, come back with my Uber Eats. Compton, California. So this guy walks up claiming to be a neighbor, talking about, I need a gas can. We don't got no gas can, buddy. We got electric cars over here. Yeah, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow.
Hey, it's Donovan, neighbor, Miss Harrison's grandson. We were trying to see if we can get assistance right now.
You know it's late, right?
I know.
What do you need help with?
She was trying to see if someone would let us get a gas can to take to the gas station.
I don't have one of those.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members-only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.